Hello, welcome our Gear Research channel. Today in this video, we are going to show some of the best step ladders that are best sold and reloaded in the last couple on Amazon. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product, check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1, Tower 3 Step Ladder, Folding Step. This folding ladder provides 3 feet of height to help reach items on top shelves, clean ceiling fans, change light bulbs, and more. The 500-pound duty limit ensures a sturdy platform while working with heavy tools and equipment, and the under $70 price tag makes it a bargain. A lock and open system makes it easy to open and close, with the metal safety buckle automatically locking in place when the ladder is in use. Cross bracing on the back reinforces the structure for less wobble and better support. Wide steps with non-slip rubber treads provide added safety and comfort. At just 1.6 inches thick when folded, the ladder requires minimal storage space. The heavy-duty steel frame makes it a bit heavier than some competitors, but it still only weighs 11.5 pounds. The metal safe buckle gets locked when one steps onto the ladder. The horseshoe-shaped rubber feet are sturdy and stay firm and prevent any scratches on the floor. The back cross brace structure gives extra support, making one feel secure and safe when climbing onto it. The non-slip rubber hand grip makes the ladder easy to climb and carry too. Number 2, Cosco 11408 PBL1 E3 Big Folding Step. If you just need a little extra altitude, Costco's 3-step big step folding step stool gives you just 3 feet. That doesn't sound like a lot, but inside a home, that's probably enough. It's comfortable to stand on, with wide resin-coated steps that will hold your feet in place. It also folds to a compact size, perfect for putting away just about anywhere between uses. At the price, it's also a pretty good value. What you won't like are some things involving the weight. The load capacity is about 200 pounds, which could be problematic. It's also got plastic feet, so it might have trouble staying in one place, even though it says it is non-skid. Finally, it advertises as being 6 pounds, but is closer to 13. It's trimming out windows, hanging shutters, or pruning fruit trees. A user will appreciate the height and sturdiness of the Cosco Signature Series stepladder. Its lightweight steel frame, 17.6 pounds, is easy to move and supports up to 300 pounds. The ladder features non-slip feet and 2 project trays that fold out to hold tools or paint cans, so it's a solid choice for DIYers who need to keep their supplies within arm's reach while working. Number 3, Rubbermaid RMS3T3 Step Steel. The only really remarkable thing about Rubbermaid's RMS3T3 step stool is that it's as price competitive a step stool as we've looked at so far. There aren't a lot of safety features or gadgets to make it especially handy during projects. If you just need something to reach the top of the refrigerator once in a while, it's not a bad option. Between uses, it also folds down into something about as wide as a butter knife. You can store it just about anywhere. Once in a while use is just about all you'll want to give this thing. The weight capacity is low. It's pretty heavy to lug around the house and can be difficult to open and close. If you're thinking about getting a step stool for an elderly relative, definitely spend a little more so that person can feel a little more secure. The ultralight design features a one-piece locking top platform and padded hand grip for more comfort and support while you work. Non-marring feet will protect interior floor coverings. A convenient project tray holds a paint can or tools for home improvement projects. Number 4, Rubbermaid RM3W3 Step Stool Ladder. The Rubbermaid RM2W2 Step Steel Stool is a small but practical step ladder that's handy to have around the house. It doesn't require much storage space. The Rubbermaid folding 2-step steel frame stool has non-damaging feet and comes with a comfortable hand grip. It can reach a height of 8 feet and you can easily fold it for storage. It has a 200-pound weight limit, which should be more than enough for most uses. This is a simple and effective step ladder you can use for a long time without running into any issues. This project top also acts as a convenient hand hold, allowing you to maintain 3 points of contact when climbing. Another safety feature of the Rubbermaid step stool is its oversized platform made of textured plastic, which provides a nice amount of grip and stability. The plastic construction isn't as durable as more rugged metal models, but it should do the trick for light-duty tasks around the house. Its top platform. It features a long magnetic storage tray for small fasteners, a large cutout to hold a drill or hammer, and 4 holes for screwdrivers or nut drivers. A small utility hook flips out from the rear of the top cap, allowing you to hang a paint can or small storage bucket. Number 5, Delxo 3-step ladder folding step stool. If you are looking for a compact 3-step ladder that can carry out light day-to-day climbing work, this next pick fits the bill perfectly. Delxo's 3-step folding ladder is a beautiful, multi-use, lightweight, and sturdy option that has been designed with safety and practicality in mind. We were looking for a small 3-step ladder to help us reach the top shelves in our cabinets. With its topmost step 28 inches high, this ladder from Delco proved to be the ideal option for us. Its folding design allows you to store it within 5 inches of space. For its small size, it has an impressive maximum load capacity of 330 pounds. However, it is a bit heavy at over 15 pounds. We especially like the curved hand grip on top, which adds convenience, while climbing or carrying each step on this ladder is wider than the average size found on most step ladders. Also, the non-marring feet eliminate the chances of any damage to the floor. The only downside we observed was that the locking mechanism beneath the topmost step is not as efficient as it should have been. Overall, it feels a bit expensive at $60. Once you're done, it folds down, so you can stash it just about anywhere. All that comes at something of a price. In this case, it's not dollars, it's in weight. It's a little heavier than you might expect or want. Like, comment and share, please subscribe my channel, check the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.